días. Primero que nada, agradeceros vuestra presencia aquí. Desearos la bienvenida a la Universidad de Lleida y a la ciudad de Lleida.
When we started 5 years ago, we was looking for offering research group abilities to the global community of medievalists in order to share research themes, research subjects, information about business and books, all related with medieval history.
I cedim la paraula al professor Peter Linhan.
Thank you very much for your kind invitation to come here. So today, it's about 40, 50 years ago since I was in Lleida as a student, as a research student. And at that time, well, things have changed evidently quite considerably in 50 years. At that time, the archivist of the cathedral spent his time in bed and not in the archive.